Hi, Mark here. It is Wednesday, October the 8th. It is 7:50 a.m. Eastern. That's 11:50 a.m. GMT. US session about to get underway. Let's have a look how the markets are shaping up. US dollar index started off strong again. I've got support at 98.36, resistance at 98.70. Has been a bit of a turnaround. There's the wick that's been left behind. So there has been some selling after that intraday resistance level. There's the hourly. There is the turnaround. Just in the previous hour, sellers did step in. We'll see if that can be maintained. And sellers can uh, look at this 98.36 support from US dollar strength to weakness, or if demand for the index will continues and buyers look up at the intraday resistance level. Let's have a look at the S&P. Yesterday, a sell-off yesterday, technically close to a triple top, a bearish engulfing, all reversal signs today in the futures market, hour and a half until Wall Street opens up. So future market, we're seeing demand for the S&P, small green candlestick. There are buyers. I've got support at 6,758 and resistance at 6,776. So buyers starting off on the front foot going into the US Open and Wall Street opening up in an hour and a half. Gold, nothing changes. Another day, another record high, higher highs, higher lows. Broke through the 4,000 target level on the upside and resistance now at 4,049, supported 3,984. If I zoom in on the hourly, something to look at. We can see on the hourly we do have a double top. See if that does play out at all. The start of a reversal sign. EMAs have crossed to the downside. We'll see if that can be maintained or if it's just going to be brief and buyers step back in, looking up at the 4,049 resistance level. Let's have a look at Brent oil. Continuing its run. This is the fourth day that we're seeing buyers in control, demand for oil. I've got support at $65.76 and resistance at 66.34. Looks like buyers testing that level right now. Let's zoom in on the hourly, and there you can see buyers testing, breaking above this intraday resistance and looking higher. Let's just zoom out to the daily. And there you can see 67 would be the next target on the way to 68. So buyers in control, demand for gold going into the US session today. Crypto, more particularly Bitcoin, after the record high set on Monday, up at 126,000. Big sell-off yesterday. I'm sure a lot of profit taking involved in the sell-off. Buyers have stepped in for the new day. I've got my support at 121,000, and for now I've got resistance sitting at just over 123,000. So almost half of yesterday's losses have been recouped. Buyers on the front foot. We'll see if that can be maintained. Buyers will be looking back up at the 124,000 or higher. If sellers continue like we saw yesterday, they'll be looking down at the 121,000 support level. Good trading. Keep that discipline. I'll see you at the end of today's session.